All this week, we're highlighting some of my favorite TV shows from the past, as well as a recipe inspired from each one. Today, we're kicking things off with a show that I watched every Friday night, The Brady Bunch. So you can only imagine how excited I am to have Christopher Knight, who you might recognize as Peter Brady, right here in the test kitchen. Welcome.
Hey, Howard.
How are
I'm
you?
so excited to be here.
Isn't it great?
I love your place.
You know, I loved watching The Brady Bunch, and my favorite episode was when you were trying to imitate Humphrey Bogart, and you asked your mom and Alice what was for dinner.
Remember it like it was yesterday. Now, the funny thing about that was I didn't know who Humphrey Bogart was, so I was doing an impersonation of our associate producer's impersonation of Humphrey Bogart, and he had this real clumsy way of doing Humphrey Bogart, now that I know who Humphrey Bogart is. Head tilted, the lips like that. Pork chops and applesauce.
There you have it. Well, in tribute to that classic line, guess what we're making today?
Let me guess. Pork chops and applesauce. Isn't that swell?
That's right, and our version starts with thick cut pork chops that are hand-breaded and sautéed with caramelized onions and served with homemade applesauce. You can get the recipe for what Peter Brady calls
Pork chops and applesauce.
simply by visiting our website. You can also check out our behind-the-scenes interview where Chris shares all that's going on in his life today. I'm Howard with Christopher Knight in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found
A very Brady way.
for you to say, ooh, it's so good.